So hey guys, welcome to Geeky Time Pals, and I just wanted to do a quick video on two things. Basically give you an update on my 3D printer. Basically, really quick, it's screwed. I've run into another issue with the 3D printer. It basically is clogged in some way. I did cold pull. I even stabbed it in the nozzle with the acupuncture needle. It unclogs, but it keeps clogging itself. So I'm gonna have to do something. I might have to contact the company just to get a straight solution. So yeah, I was 3D printing these things. It's like kind of like a, I don't know what you call it, one of those things that with the wind it spins. And it stopped in the middle of it. The pole didn't print at all. This is supposed to be thicker, and it just didn't print. When I thought I fixed it, it did it again. Mid print, it just stopped up to here, and it clogged again. I fixed it a whole bunch of times. I might have to be delayed a week or two until I get this fixed. So sorry about that, guys. The other thing I wanted to do, because I wanted to give you something for this video, is basically I'm going to finally give you the tour of my office. It's been a while since the last time, but basically I've done a couple changes. This is the reason I've been delaying to show you guys my office, the whole studio or office, is because like I don't feel like it's complete yet. Basically I want to show you guys something. Might as well just show you my office because it's going to be a while since I add more to it. Basically, here's my office. Right now I'm going to be showing you with some background music outside, and here it is. You guys enjoyed that video. I'll try to get more content out as soon as possible when there is. Comment below if anything. Don't forget to hit subscribe up here. Don't forget to also check out any recent videos I'll be doing at the time. And take care, geeks. Bye.